Imagine stepping into a world where every plant tells a story, each one resilient and full of life, thriving even in the harshest, driest climates. These drought-resistant wonders are more than just survivors, they are symbols of beauty and endurance. Let's discover 15 captivating plants that transform dry gardens into enchanting landscapes of color and charm. Lavender, with its soft purple blooms and gentle, calming fragrance, brings a touch of romance and serenity to any garden. Each delicate stalk dances lightly in the breeze, releasing a soothing scent that lingers in the air, inviting you to pause and breathe deeply. This Mediterranean native thrives in sunlight and dry soil, embodying resilience and grace. Lavender attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding life and gentle motion to your garden. Its timeless beauty and enchanting aroma make it more than just a plant, it's a reminder of tranquility, a natural oasis even in the driest landscapes. Agave, with its bold, sculptural leaves and dramatic form, adds a touch of exotic elegance to any garden. Each leaf, edged with fine spines, reaches out in a graceful spread, creating a stunning silhouette against the landscape. Agave thrives effortlessly in sandy, well-drained soil, capturing the essence of resilience in arid climates. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water, allowing it to flourish with minimal care. When mature, some varieties send up a towering flower spike, a breathtaking display of strength and beauty. Agave is more than a plant, it's a living testament to endurance and natural artistry. Sedum, with its plump, fleshy leaves and vibrant blooms, brings a charming yet hardy touch to any garden. These low-growing succulents form clusters of star-shaped flowers in shades of pink, yellow, and red, adding pops of color that brighten even the driest landscapes. Adapted to withstand drought, sedums thrive in rocky or sandy soils, spreading gracefully with minimal care. Their unique, water-storing leaves gleam in the sunlight, creating an almost jewel-like effect across the ground. Sedum embodies beauty in simplicity, a testament to nature's ability to flourish under challenging conditions, adding a playful and resilient charm to any garden. Rusian Sage, with its silvery foliage and wisps of lavender blue flowers, brings an ethereal beauty to sun-soaked gardens. Its delicate, airy stems seem to shimmer in the sunlight, creating a soft haze of color that dances with the slightest breeze. Thriving in dry, well-drained soil, Rusian Sage is a symbol of strength and grace, needing little water to showcase its lush, fragrant blooms. Bees and butterflies are drawn to its gentle scent, adding life to its dreamlike display. Rusian Sage transforms even the harshest landscapes into a serene, romantic scene, a lasting beauty against all odds. Rosemary, with its evergreen sprigs and aromatic fragrance, is both a visual and sensory delight in any garden. Its delicate blue or purple flowers add a soft touch to the hardy, needle-like leaves, bringing elegance and a Mediterranean charm to the landscape. Thriving in full sun and rocky, well-drained soil, rosemary symbolizes resilience and timeless beauty, flourishing with minimal water. Its scent drifts gently in the breeze, evoking warmth and tranquility, while attracting pollinators to its delicate blooms. Rosemary is more than a plant, it's a piece of natural artistry, a fragrant reminder of endurance and grace in dry gardens. Yarrow, with its feathery, fern-like leaves and vibrant clusters of tiny flowers, brings a lively charm to any dry garden. Available in hues of yellow, pink, red, and white, Yarrow's blossoms stand boldly against its lush greenery, creating a captivating contrast. This hardy plant thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, needing very little water to flourish. Yarrow attracts butterflies and beneficial insects, adding movement and life to your garden. Its enduring beauty and resilience make it a natural choice for low-maintenance landscapes, blending color, texture, and a hint of wild elegance in any setting. Echinacea, also known as coneflower, brings a touch of wild beauty to gardens with its tall stems and vibrant, daisy-like blooms. The flower's striking petals, ranging from pink and purple to white and yellow, surround a bold, cone-shaped center that attracts butterflies and bees. Echinacea thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, flourishing with minimal water and care. Its blooms stand strong against the elements, offering long-lasting color even in dry conditions. More than just beautiful, Echinacea is valued for its medicinal qualities, symbolizing both resilience and healing, a perfect blend of strength and grace for any garden. Bougainvillea, with its vibrant, paper-like bracts in shades of pink, purple, red, and orange, brings a burst of color and tropical flair to any dry garden. This vigorous climber, often seen draping over trellises or fences, thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, requiring very little water once established. Its bold, cascading flowers make a dramatic statement, turning even the driest spaces into a lush paradise. Bougainvillea's beauty lies not just in its brilliant blooms but in its ability to withstand heat and drought, making it a perfect symbol of vibrant resilience in the harshest of climates. Lantana, with its cheerful, multicolored clusters of small flowers, brings a lively and vibrant touch to any garden. Available in shades of yellow, orange, pink, and red, its blooms create a tapestry of color that attracts butterflies and hummingbirds. Thriving in full sun and dry, well-drained soil, Lantana is both heat and drought tolerant, requiring little maintenance once established. Its spreading habit makes it an excellent choice for ground cover or hanging baskets, filling spaces with bright, enduring beauty. Lantana's resilience and vivid blooms make it an ideal plant for adding color and energy to any dry, sunny garden. Hens and Chicks, with their charming rosettes of thick, fleshy leaves, create a delightful display of symmetry and beauty. These low-growing succulents come in shades of green, red, and purple, adding a vibrant pop of color to dry, rocky gardens. Their name comes from the way the hen, the main rosette, produces smaller chicks around it, forming a unique cluster. Thriving in poor, well-drained soil, hens and chicks require minimal water, making them perfect for low-maintenance, drought-tolerant gardens. Their resilient nature and striking form bring a touch of whimsical elegance to any garden, effortlessly enduring even the harshest conditions. Verbena, with its cascading clusters of tiny, brightly colored flowers, adds a lively and vibrant touch to any dry garden. Available in hues of purple, red, pink, and white, its blooms create a soft, colorful blanket that attracts butterflies and bees. Verbena thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, flourishing with little water once established. Its trailing habit makes it perfect for hanging baskets, containers, or as ground cover, where it fills spaces with cheerful color. Verbena's resilience and ability to thrive in the harshest conditions make it a perfect addition to any drought-tolerant garden, offering beauty and joy with minimal effort. Gaillardia, or blanket flower, dazzles with its fiery, daisy-like blooms in shades of red, yellow, and orange. These vibrant flowers seem to catch the sun, glowing like warm embers against a backdrop of green foliage. Gaillardia thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, requiring very little water once established, making it a perfect choice for dry gardens. The plant's long-lasting blooms attract butterflies and pollinators, adding movement and life to your garden. Its resilient nature and striking colors bring a touch of wild beauty, filling any landscape with warmth and energy, even in the harshest, driest conditions. California poppy, with its bright, sun-kissed petals in shades of orange, yellow, and red, brings a cheerful burst of color to dry gardens. These delicate flowers sway gently in the breeze, their vibrant hues capturing the essence of a warm, carefree summer day. Thriving in full sun and sandy, well-drained soil, California poppies are incredibly drought-tolerant and require minimal care to flourish. They spread easily, creating a sea of color that attracts bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. With their resilience and radiant beauty, California poppies add a natural, carefree charm to any landscape, even in the driest conditions. Yucca, with its dramatic, sword-like leaves and towering flower spikes, brings a bold, architectural presence to any dry garden. The plant's striking foliage, often edged with spiny teeth, forms a rosette that stands tall and proud, creating a modern and sculptural focal point. In late spring or early summer, yucca sends up long, elegant flower stalks crowned with clusters of creamy white or pale yellow blooms. Thriving in full sun and well-drained, sandy soil, yucca is exceptionally drought-tolerant and needs little attention once established. Its bold beauty and strength make it an ideal choice for arid landscapes, adding timeless elegance. Dusty Miller, with its soft, silvery gray foliage, adds a touch of elegance and contrast to any garden. The plant's fine, fern-like leaves create a delicate, almost lace-like texture, making it an ideal companion for vibrant blooms or as a striking backdrop. Thriving in full sun and well-drained soil, Dusty Miller is drought-tolerant and low-maintenance, making it perfect for dry gardens. Its silvery hue stands out against the landscape, bringing a cool, calming effect. Dusty Miller's resilience and beauty make it a timeless choice for any garden, effortlessly adding a refined, gentle touch to arid spaces. As we reach the end of our journey through these resilient plants, remember that a garden's beauty doesn't depend on endless watering but on thoughtful choices. By selecting drought-resistant plants, you create a landscape that thrives naturally and remains stunning through every season. Embrace these hardy wonders and watch your garden bloom against the odds.